Hello guys, today I would like to talk about parts what you can source from Roland HD-1 drum kits released in 2007. I believe they're dirty cheap on the second-hand market. So you can source this kind of the cymbals CY5. You can see here it says for HD1 use only. There is no choke and it's the single trigger cymbal. And you can get single trigger pads TD-6. So first question, how you can mount them? As you can see here, it's the different kind of the mounting used on this drum kit. So you need to get those pads with this original horizontal arm. You have a T-bracket at the end. You need to remove the screw. You can push a bit hard here and it will slide on this kind of the tube. And you can see I already did here and there. And you can tighten it up after with the screw. And second question, you can think if it's compatible with normal Roland TD models, because people say probably they use different kind of trigger. And if you look here, as you can see, this is a piezo trigger and it looks kind of the same what I saw on CY5 dual trigger cymbal. CY8 dual trigger cymbal, CY5 HD1 only single trigger cymbal, and finally the same as on PDX8 dual trigger pad. Okay guys, this is the cymbal from HD1. Let's try it out. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so here I have my TD-15 module, and the main difference between TD-11 and this one, 15 has two extra trigger inputs, one called auxiliary and another called crash 2. So let's see in a moment. Now you can see it says snare. If I hit my auxiliary input, it sounds like a tom 4. At the left top corner you can see the active pad was changed to auxiliary. So I'm gonna hit it again. Okay. Second pad PD6 I connected as a crash 2, so let's check it out. You can see it changed here at left top corner to crash 2. So I will separate them so they're not gonna sit on the same tube. These HD1 pads can only act as a single trigger pads, so there is no choke and there is no rim. Okay, now I will try another drum kit. It's called Electronica. And now let's try tom. You can see here where is the rim, right? But there is no rim. So guys, my daughter asked me to set this pad as a cowbell, and let's do this. And now you go to that module, you press menu, we choose instruments, this button. Now we need to spin this dial until we see percussion. Now we're at percussion and we go, okay, here we go, we get cowbell. I'm gonna choose the first one, and there is a preview button, so we do this, and basically that's it. So let's hit it. Okay. Now you need to press on exit button. Just remember, if you change drum set to different one, it will play the sound what it saved for this drum kit. So if I get back to my heavy blast beat drum set, this is the cowbell. And I already set this for the second one, alternative rock. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Peace.